Introduction to strings in Rust. In Rust, strings are a sequence of Unicode scalar values encoded as UTF-8. Rust provides two types of strings: string and string slices &str. The string type is used for owned, mutable strings, while &str represents string slices, which are immutable references to a portion of a string. To create a new string, you can use the string from function or by using string literals. Common use cases for strings. Strings are commonly used for various purposes, such as storing and manipulating user input or text data, formatting and displaying messages, interacting with file systems and I/O operations, parsing and processing data in text-based formats such as CSV or JSON. Comparisons with other languages. In Rust, strings are handled differently compared to some other languages like C++. Common methods for strings: len and is _empty. The len method returns the length of a string, which is the number of bytes it occupies. The is _empty method checks if a string is empty. Common methods for strings: push and push_str. The push method appends a single character to the end of a string, modifying it in place. The push_str method appends a string slice to the end of a string. Common methods for strings: replace. The replace method replaces all occurrences of a substring within a string with another substring. Common methods for strings: split. The split method splits a string into an iterator of substrings based on a delimiter. Common methods for strings: chars. The chars method returns an iterator over the Unicode characters of a string. Important information: immutable string slices &str. In Rust, string slices &str are commonly used when working with borrowed strings or string literals. They are more efficient and allow for safe and efficient string manipulation. Conclusion. In conclusion, strings in Rust are a fundamental data type used for storing and manipulating text. They can be created as owned strings, string, or as string slices &str. Rust's approach to strings prioritizes safety, memory management, and efficiency. Strings are extensively used in various scenarios such as user input, message formatting, file operations, and data processing. Understanding how to work with strings in Rust is essential for building robust and secure applications.